about this grand statue?
I think he looks like a great warrior,
Yes.
a king, or maybe something like that.
Good guess. And look at his gesture of hands. Maybe he's carrying something or holding something.
I think he's holding a flower and waiting for someone else to propose his girlfriend, maybe.
Okay, really a funny
Yeah.
answer. But most scientists suggest he is holding an ivory or a wand. Look at the base. There are some beautiful patterns on it.
I think that's an idea. Came from an elephant.
Elephants, they surely look like the trunks of the elephants.
Here we come to the bronze divine tree.
Yes, and we can see there are some birds on it. These birds represent the sun, so we call them sunbirds.
It is one of the biggest bronze tree which is left in the same period.
Yes, that's why it plays an important role in history.
The tree has various functions. One of the most important function is the ladder to heaven, which means the communication between mortals and gods. Wow, I have been waiting for a long time. I just got shocked. This one I'm expecting more.
I have the same idea with you, Henry. It has got very big ears and long eyes. They are so exaggerated of their great power of listening and seeing. The mask, 138 centimeters wide and 66 centimeters high, is one of the two biggest bronze masks in Sanxingdui.